MacSuir.com. Review: is this website safe to buy from? If you've come across MacSuir.com and are wondering whether it's safe to buy from, this review will help you understand what to look for before you make a purchase. We'll walk through how the site appears, important trust indicators, and whether it seems like a legitimate online store or something you should be cautious about. MacSuir.com markets itself as an e-commerce website offering various products. Before you enter any personal or payment information, it's important to evaluate several key factors that can signal legitimacy. A trustworthy online store typically provides clear business details, secure checkout systems, reliable customer support, and real customer feedback, while scam sites often lack these essentials. At first glance, MacSuir.com may look like a typical online shop with product categories and images. A clean layout can make a good first impression, but appearance alone isn't enough to confirm the site is safe. Legitimate stores usually include detailed contact information, a physical business address, transparent terms of service, and clear shipping and return policies. If these elements are missing or vague, it's a sign to proceed with caution. Payment security is another crucial factor. A safe online store will use secure payment gateways and display SSL encryption in your browser's address bar to protect your financial information. If payment methods seem limited to unusual options or security indicators are absent, that's a red flag. You also want to check that shipping timelines and return procedures are clearly explained, so you know what to expect after placing an order. Customer reviews can offer valuable insight into real experiences. Authentic reviews typically mention specific details like delivery times, product quality, and interactions with customer service. Scam sites often display overly positive or generic testimonials that don't feel credible or detailed. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, MacSuir.com may give a positive first impression with a clean layout, clear product categories, and SSL encryption that helps protect your data during checkout. These surface features are common on legitimate online stores and can make browsing easier. On the downside, the cons highlight deeper concerns: limited or missing information about the company behind the store, a lack of trustworthy third-party reviews, and unclear or missing shipping and return policies can raise red flags. When customer support isn't easy to find or responsive, it becomes harder to address issues if something goes wrong. Promotional prices that seem too good to be true can also be a warning sign. In summary, while MacSuir.com may look like a working online store at first glance, the lack of transparent business details and limited verifiable customer feedback suggest you should be cautious. If you decide to shop there, protect yourself by using secure payment methods and seeking out additional reviews to confirm the site's safety before submitting sensitive information.